Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review on this desk clamp power strip. So it does come in white and black. I got the white version. There's everything that comes in the box. There is this little piece here with a, looks like it's got two-sided tape on it. So it does have 3 plug-ins and it's got 2 USB plugs. It's rated at 12 amps, 125 volts, 60 hertz, 1,500 watts. The USB output is 5 volts DC, 2.1 amps max. So it seems like it's very well made. You're going to clamp this to your desk. Okay, so the maximum opening here is about 2 inches. And the depth is about 1.75 inches. And this cord, it says, is 6.5 feet long. Like again, it does seem like it's very well made. So the plug-in does come out the back. And it's about 6 inches by 1.75 inches and almost 2 inches that way. So it seems like it's very well made, and it does clamp down really tight when you put it on your desk. Thanks everybody for watching.